Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. Thank you for joining me to open the next door on the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. We're up to door number 14. We're just flying through these days. 14's got a gingerbread man on it. I don't think that's any hint for what's inside. That's a shame though. A gingerbread man would have been so cute. But not a gingerbread man. It looks like it might be a little train. A little choo-choo train of some sort. So let's build it and see. We've got a decent number of parts in this bag, which is always exciting. Ooh, get all the ones that keep trying to roll away and escape because they like to keep me on my toes and give me a bit of a challenge. So we've got these two little black pieces with the holes going through them. We join them up with the pink 4x1s. And then maybe we'll put these little Technique pieces in here because this is how we're going to attach the wheels. It's very cute. It's very cute. And this is the front of our little steam engine-y trainy thing. It's definitely an old-fashioned steam train. And the gold piece there is the hook for us to be able to actually hang it from the Christmas tree. And a little cute little smokestacky thing on the front. Got our wheels on now. And this is such a simple way to do wheels. And so much more useful because I have all these wheel pieces I never know what to do with. But I can always use these ones for other things. And it's all done. And the wheels actually turn because they're on the Technique pieces, which are spinning around inside there. I don't think that Emma is designed to fit on there. The hook's kind of in her way. I could take that off, but that's not going to work. I just had a thought. It's not for the Friends girls to ride on. It's for this little cute little hamster that we got in one of the previous windows. I can't remember what it was. So there's another little vehicle for him. That's really cute. And once again, we finished already. My goodness. That's all right. There are more things to build and more days to go. So I will see you tomorrow for the next door in the Advent Calendar. Bye.